Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and today I want to show you a nifty little accessory for the Ardent FX, for those of you who have the Ardent FX. And if you don't have the Ardent FX, you might want to consider it, and there'll be a coupon code in the comments below. Before I get to this though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. Okay, so what is this brilliant new accessory for the Ardent FX? And if you don't already know about the Ardent FX, this little gadget is one of the only gadgets I personally use in my cooking, and it decarboxylates your cannabis perfectly, converting 100% of the THCA into THC. And you can also infuse right in it, which is what I have done. Inside of here right now is a bunch of cannabis and a bunch of infused coconut oil. And right now it is time to drain and strain it. And there'll be a link in the comments below to another video that shows you how to actually make infusions in the Ardent FX. But right now we're going to strain this, and this is where this new gadget comes in. It's a press that is very much like that's in a French press coffee maker. And it allows you to just bypass the cheesecloth and the colander and all that messy draining and straining stuff and strain right from the gadget itself. So let me show you how it works. As I said, I already have some coconut oil in here that I infused. And I'm going to put this on, and what it does is you're going to plunge that down. That will push the plant material to the bottom, allowing you to just simply pour out the infused oil. So it could not be any easier. You just put that over the top, press down the plunger, and I'm going to press it down to make sure I'm squeezing out all the oil. There's a little spout here, and now all I have to do is to pour that oil right out. Could not be any quicker, easier, or neater to strain out your infusions. So this is a great gadget. If you own the FX, it is perfectly sized to work in the FX and go all the way to the bottom and squeeze out the infusion from the plant material. If I had any complaint at all about this gadget, it's a little bit pricey. That'd be my only complaint. At $55 for just this top, that's kind of an expensive little accessory. But if you use your FX all the time, it certainly saves you a lot of time and mess, so maybe it's worth it to you. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you could use an ordinary French press. You are going to have to do a little bit more dishes, but you would pour your plant material and your oil into the French press and use it the same way. Plunge down, pour it out. So there's a more budget-friendly alternative to this gadget for the Ardent FX. But if money is no object, I love this little gadget. It sure makes things easier. See you all next time. Eat your weed.